Okay, we're trying our truck out for the first time. Now watch the truck. Yeah. Yeah. It's alive. Yeah. It's got music. There's the horn. Beep, beep. Hold on, don't do that. Wait. Press these buttons. Beep, beep. Now, push that. Push it forward. Push it like this. Got it? Alright, now do the other way. Push it this way now. Watch the truck. Watch the truck. See? Now you can go forward on it like this. Bye! And come back. Stuck in the mud. Oh no! Here. Let's see. If we put it on the ground, it'll take off. Wow. Yeah. There it is. Scoop. Yeah. Uh-oh. Ouch. Here you go. Yeah, you want to press it? Come on down. And you can do it. Want to? Here you go. Come over here. It's not going to hurt you. I'll help you down. There you go. Whee! Okay, come over here. Right over here. No. Here, press it by this. You press this, and it'll go. Come here. Put this in your hand. Now, turn this forward. This way. Yeah. There you go. Do it some more. Do it again. Yeah. I'll turn it the other way, and it'll come back. Yeah. The other way, and it'll come back to you. Oh, it's stuck on the rug. Easy.